Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner cross-platform with mods. SnowRunner offers full cross-platform play, allowing friends on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch to team up. The game also fully supports mods across all these platforms, primarily managed through the integrated mod.io system. This means you can enhance your off-road adventures with custom vehicles and maps, even when playing with friends on different devices, creating truly unique experiences. While cross-platform modding is possible, there are important compatibility considerations. Every player in your session must have the identical mods installed and enabled. Even slight version differences can prevent joining. Console players will find a smaller selection of mods compared to PC, as console mods undergo a strict approval process. Additionally, consoles typically allocate a limited storage space, often around 4 GB, for all installed mods. To set up a cross-platform modded game, PC players should first use the mod.io website to filter for console-compatible only mods. Once everyone agrees on the mods, the host starts a private co-op session and shares the generated session code. All joining players must then enter this code and ensure they have downloaded and activated the exact same mods as the host before attempting to connect. For the smoothest modded cross-platform experience, double-check that every player has precisely the same mod versions. It is highly recommended that the host stays in the garage or main menu screen until all friends have successfully joined the session. If you encounter connection problems, try disabling all mods and then reactivating them one by one to identify any conflicting files. This approach helps ensure everyone can enjoy the custom content together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.